I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sims 4 on an external hard drive on Mac. First, let's prepare your external drive. Make sure it's formatted correctly for your Mac, ideally as apps or Mac OS extended. You'll also need at least 50 gigabytes of free space. Connect your drive using a fast port, like a USB-C, to ensure smooth gameplay and quick loading times. This initial setup is crucial for a seamless experience. Now, let's move the game files. Find your Sims 4 game folder, typically located in your applications directory. Simply drag this entire folder from your Mac's internal storage directly onto your external hard drive. This process might take a few minutes, depending on your drive speed. Once moved, create an alias of the Sims 4 folder on your desktop for easy access later. This alias will be your new game launcher. Next, we need to tell your game client where to find Sims 4. Open either the Origin or EA App Client on your Mac. Go into the application settings or preferences. Look for an option to change the game library location or installation directory. Point this setting to the Sims 4 folder on your external drive. This step ensures the client recognizes the game's new home and launches it correctly. Finally, it's time to play. Always make sure your external drive is connected to your Mac before attempting to launch the game. Use the alias you created on your desktop to start Sims 4. After launching, check that the game runs smoothly and that your saved data is being stored correctly on the external drive. Enjoy your expanded storage and seamless gameplay experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.